Hey there, it's Hollywood Consulting, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to get into how to create your own custom AI presenter using Canva. But before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on anything else from Hollywood Consulting. I know a lot of you have seen these custom AI characters and these generated images used in YouTube channels and also on other social media platforms. They're really cool, customizable, and easy to create within a couple of steps. So we'll get into that right now. The first step is actually creating the image. You can really use any AI image generator that you like. This is the one that I am going to be using here. And the cool thing about this particular one is that it actually updates the image in real time as you add in the description. They have a different one that is kind of stationary where you put in all the prompts first and then it generates the image, but I like to see it kind of change and become what I actually want it to be. So I'm going to start by putting in a prompt and just continuing to adjust it so that it's a character that I like. I suggest you do the same. If the character is not coming out the way that you want it to come out, simply try new prompts. Sometimes you have to play around with it before you can get exactly what you want. Once this is done, you can actually export the image and we can then go ahead and use it in our next portion. I'm going to continue to make a little bit of adjustments to the character and see how that affects the image. Updating the prompt here. Okay, let's say that we want her to be happy. Let's see how that changes the character. Okay, again, I like this one, so we'll go ahead and save this one as well. You can make as many as you want and just have them in the file so that you can upload them and potentially use them. If not for this particular project, maybe for something later down the line. Every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this move Blair. I be waiting on you. That we have exported our image, we are actually going to switch over to Canva. You can use any template that you want, but you want to go to apps and choose in the search field DID AI presenters. As you can see, they have a bunch of already pre-made presenters, but you also have the option of uploading your own image. And I've already uploaded the images in that we created in the first portion of this video. So I'm just going to choose that picture as the presenter. Then I'm going to go down and put in what the actual verbiage is. Now I set this aside a little bit earlier so that I could have it readily available to do this part. I'm just going to paste it in here, and this is actually what the presenter will say in their speech. Next, you can choose the language. I chose English, United States. Then you choose the voice. I suggest taking your time and going through the voices that best suit you, but this is the one that I chose. You do have the capability of previewing the speech, and it will also tell you how many credits the video will take to generate. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up and make sure everything is okay, and then just go back to my blank page and click preview speech. At this point, you will hear a little bit of the preview of the voice with what you actually put in there for verbiage. And then I just stop it and click generate the video or generate presenter. And you just wait a couple of minutes. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes, and the image will populate here once it's done. Keep in mind that this can get a little pricey because it does cost credits to generate these videos. We do have a monthly plan with this actual app. I don't recall how many credits we get per month, but we get a certain amount free and then another amount for about $5 or $6 a month. So be sure to just, consider how much you want to spend and stay within that budget so that it doesn't become too costly for you, and so that you're really getting your money's worth out of the entire process. So here you can see that it popped up. It did take some time. I'm just going to make it bigger. You can see that the lips are actually moving now, which they weren't before, and the image has literally come to life just like that. Okay, I'm just testing it out to make sure that it sounds good, but I'll go ahead and stop that. Once you have it and you're happy with it, you go ahead and click share. You download it as a video. Make sure you're choosing the right pages. I have multiple pages in this actual design, so I want to make sure that I'm choosing the right pages and also the right quality. This will be used for YouTube possibly, so I want to choose the largest, best quality as possible and click download. Once your video image is downloaded, you can actually use it to import into other projects or upload it into your YouTube videos as such.
Welcome to Hollywood Consulting's YouTube channel. My name is Holly and I am your HWC assistant. Here we are strong, black, educated business women deeply rooted in spirituality, manifestation, and positivity. We're here to empower you on your entrepreneurial journey. We offer a range of services, from Shopify partnerships to website design and personalized consulting. Our mission is inclusive. We don't gatekeep information but freely share knowledge to lift others. But that's not all. Our channel is your one-stop shop for invaluable resources and insights, including highlights of our HWC Empowers Her courses and ready-to-sell websites. We're dedicated to creating a community where diversity is celebrated, and everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Join us on this journey of growth and empowerment. Subscribe now and let's manifest your dreams together.
If you haven't already done so, make sure to check out the HWC Empowers Her digital courses. They are just $20. Yes, just $20. If you want to learn more, pull out your phone right now and scan the QR code. These courses are filled with tons of information to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't miss out. Again, scan the QR code to learn more information. Talking crazy, I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. Oh, we've come to the end of another video. Be sure to follow us on social media, and if you haven't done so already, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for watching and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.
Go, baby, at last to my body's